Now in this example, we are given two questions. Okay, now number one is what? First of all, solving number one, given A is with three elements A, B and C. B is with two elements 3, 5. Now we have to find A cross B. A cross B is equal to A, 3, A, 5, B, 3, B, 5, C, 3 and C, 5. Answer. Question number 2. Now you can just check it. Just vice versa for question number 1. Now here given A cross B is equal to A comma X, A comma Y, B comma X, B comma Y, C comma X, C comma Y. Now what A will be? Now A is equal to A, B and C, and B is equal to, now what is repeated? X and Y in all the three cases. B is X and